Hey, so today I'm going to be giving away two binders. One is brand new, unused, still got tags on and everything. And the other one's my old one, so obviously that's been used, but it's been washed and everything. So I've got a new one because the one I've been wearing I've actually shrunk out of because it's too big for me. So I ordered some new binders off eBay and they just sent me the completely wrong thing. I ordered two black strapless binders in large, and I got sent one white half-tank binder in size small. But I emailed them, they sent out the right ones, and they didn't want the one that they sent me out back. Now obviously I can't wear it because it's a size small and I wear a size large. So since I can't wear either of them two, one because the old one's too big for me now and the new one is too small for me, why not give them away to one of you guys watching this? So these are what the binders look like. This is the brand new one, still got tag on it and everything. Half tank binder with the clasp things at the side that you do up. It's got three, so obviously if you want it a bit tighter you can put it on the closest ones, and then yeah. But yeah, I don't think you'll be able to see, but it's size small. And then this is my old one. It's just like one of them whole pieces of material, again with the same kind of hooks. It just sort of sits round, there's no straps or anything. But this actually works really well for me. The ones that I ordered in just a size smaller are the exact same ones because I actually really got along with this one quite well. So if you want to enter, just leave a comment down below saying which binder you want to enter for. Also include your Twitter, Instagram or an email address so that I can get into contact with you if you do win one of the binders. Obviously I need your address to be able to send it out to you, so if I don't have a way of contacting you, you can't win because I can't send it out. Also, everyone just gets entered once because I want everyone to have an equal chance, so if you leave more than one comment, you're only still going to get one entry. So in 3 weeks time, I'll do a video of me drawing the giveaway winners at random. It'll just be classic, write names on a piece of paper and draw them randomly from a hat. Also, if the winner doesn't reply within a week of getting the message, then I'll redraw a winner from the original entries and let somebody else have it. Not because I'm impatient, just because if you're not checking your messages and you're not like looking forward and looking to see if you've won, you're obviously not that bothered. There are other people that would be much happier getting it and would be more in need of having a binder. The video of the winners being drawn will be up on Sunday the 27th of November at 6 PM. So look out for that and check your messages to see if you've won. And also if you subscribe you can turn on post notifications, which means you'll get notified when I make a video. So when that video goes up you'll get a notification, you'll be able to see it straight away. I think 3 weeks is a good amount of time to let people enter, so if you could please like and share this video to let other people see it and potentially have the chance of getting a binder, that would be awesome. Also feel free to check out my other videos, I upload every Sunday. So thank you for watching, come along my journey, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Bye.